Hi, good afternoon guys. This afternoon I will share to you some of the techniques I'm using, particularly whenever I'm doing a uphill climb here in Rizal, of course. There are so many climbs here. So I need to conserve energy using my, of course, left leg and right leg, okay? So there are some techniques that we're doing every time we do an uphill climb. However, some techniques may not be applicable to us, some may be okay, but this technique that I'm using will share to you some I know that is really effective. So I'll just hop in and explain to you how it's being done, okay? This position is where you will have a greater transfer of energy coming from your leg, okay, going down to the pedal and transfer to the back. So first stroke, second stroke, this one, third stroke, and so on and so forth. Okay. Now, if you're negotiating a climb, say in Dipolo or any other places, you should, of course, conserve energy, and you should know how to use your right leg, of course, and your left leg. Okay. Now, if you'll be doing that pedaling every now and then, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, chances are you won't be able to conserve energy because of the transfer of power is just being made instantly, yes, on your left and on your right. Okay. Now, you can make an adjustment by simply applying this style technique. You have to apply power on your right leg first 4 times. Okay. I'll show you how it's being done. 1. Let's just remove this for purposes of explanation. Okay. Use this right leg first. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then after you have pedaled the bike right side 4 times, you will now transfer your power on your left leg. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. Okay. So if you're doing that, as long as you're doing an uphill climb, okay. 1, right leg first. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the other left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, in so doing, you will now conserve energy. Right leg is pedaling 4 times. Your left leg is relaxed. On the other side, if your left leg is doing the 4 times pedaling, your right leg is relaxed. Okay, so in so doing, you will conserve energy. That's one way of doing it. There are other ways it's being done. You can also adjust depending on the way that you will conserve energy. You can probably pedal the right leg 5 times, 7 times, 10 times, depending on your manner of recovering and manner of relaxation of the other leg. And can be done also on the other side 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, so on and so forth. So these things are basically something that you have to experience as well as you go. Now, there is another way of doing it. This one is that you will use now the power of your back stroke. Okay? Or back pedaling. No? Now, you will use your power starting from this position, going back. Okay? This is the power. That's the power. So, power, downstroke in this position, another power, this one going back. Okay? You have to pull the pedal and then push that. But that's being done alternately, no? Your right leg will probably first pedal 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on your left leg, instead of pedaling coming from this position or from this angle, you can now take this position and pull the pedal going backward, going up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if that will be explained a bit further, I will now use both of my legs. Okay, this one will pedal 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. From that position, I will rotate this left leg, okay? But I will now use the energy or the power from this position going back and pulling up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? I will explain it a bit further. I will make it faster this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? That is one way. Now, how will you now, after you have finished stroking the pedal, pulling the pedal back and up, you may now use the other side. Okay? Instead of transferring the power from this angle, we can use this coming from this angle and then pulling the pedal back and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then transferring the power on your left leg. Okay, use the power transfer from this angle. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this style is being done alternately. Okay, I will now explain it a bit further, and then I'll just point using my finger what angle and what leg, either left or right leg, I'm using. Okay, so I'll use this first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Transfer here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Transfer here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Transfer here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, transfer here. 1, 2, 3, 4. The back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And going up and here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Okay. You can also adjust probably 5 strokes here, 5 strokes here, 5 strokes here, and 5 strokes here. Or even higher, 6, 7, 8, depending on your style, and you have to experiment because you need to conserve energy while you can also, this is actually applied during if you're negotiating an uphill climb, but this can also be applied whenever you're on a flat road, probably doing a 30, 35, or up to 40 kilometers per hour speed. Okay, so I hope you have learned something this afternoon, and these are things that I've been using, I've been applying for so many years now, and it's really effective, especially if you're into triathlon races or just simply doing your training. So I hope I have shared to you these techniques, and I hope you can apply this anytime soon, and let's see if this will apply to you, and I hope to see you in this in the forthcoming races, and thank you very much.